Today I'm back in Front Royal to show you 3 reasons why this town is quickly becoming a foodie's paradise. Smoked pork butt, chicken and waffles, mac and cheese with a shrimp po' boy. Let's roll. This is the crab cake king right here, man.
Hey, good job, man.
All right, so I've been coming here about 4 years ago. My boy Midas was like, yo, my cousin's got the bomb crab cakes. Where were you at that time? You were out in...
We're in Warrenton, Virginia.
In Warrenton, Virginia. I went out there. A lot has changed. Now you're selling hundreds a day. What are we gonna make today? We're gonna show off some of your other stuff?
Yeah, we're gonna show off something spectacular for you. We're gonna come out with the shrimp mac po' boy.
The shrimp mac po' boy. All right, let's do it, man.
Go.
All right.
All right, right here we got our shrimp that's been heavily marinated for about 1 or 2 years. No, I'm joking.
That gives them the good flavor. All right, so marinating one night, is that just like an egg wash?
Egg wash,
okay.
and some home-based seasonings.
Okay.
All right, so we'll go ahead and put in 9 shrimp.
So they'll use the big joints.
1620.
Nice. These are expensive. These are the good ones right here. And they look fresh. All right, so is that just a cornmeal?
It's not a gluten-free flour base.
Oh, gluten-free?
Yes.
All right, that's nice. So a lot of people don't understand that the gluten-free, I think that gives them a little good crisp.
Yes.
I really do.
It does.
You know?
It does.
I can't believe, why are we in a gas station? That is the coolest thing. I've never had, it's the first gas station seafood I've ever had.
Being in the gas station, we come from being on the side of the road in the middle of nowhere. So, you know, we come with a gas station setting where we like luring people out to the mountains. So we like to put a little twist on and make it different.
So people pull up here to get gas and they walk in like, yo, they got half-pound crab cakes in here.
Yeah, they're kind of skeptical, but they come in to eat, then they tell everybody.
Yeah. All right, so now we're gonna get this roll ready.
Yes, sir.
It's a good roll, got a little chew to it. Very nice, fresh.
All right, we got our shrimp done.
Okay.
We're going to put on our homemade mac and cheese.
All right, look at this mac and cheese, guys. Make sure you get this when you come here. Oh my goodness.
Nice and cheesy.
So where'd you come up with this recipe, man?
I'm always at the table. I'm always coming up with ideas. Instead of baking the cheese in it, I like to melt it so it can incorporate all over.
Okay.
So, you know, won't be missing anything.
That's beautiful, dude. So you guys make this fresh daily?
Make it fresh daily.
And now, just so everyone knows, where did you learn how to cook? Or you were part of Five Guys for a while?
Yeah, I grew up in Arlington. Worked for the real Five Guys.
Bomb, great company, dude.
Great company.
So this is a big sub.
It's a big sub.
I'm getting nervous, dude. All right, so the shrimp are ready.
Yep, shrimp ready. We'll let the shrimp out.
Bam. Oh my God, that looks so good. Yum.
You won't be able to close it, but you know.
Well, that's the only way to do a sandwich, man.
Yeah.
If it closes, that means there's not enough meat in it.
That's right.
Oh my gosh. That looks so good.
We're always going extra. We don't know where it goes, but you know.
I know where it goes.
We'll figure it out.
Damn, those are good.
We're going to put our drizzle game on it. Top it off, finish it off.
I love it, man. You guys have always had the best presentation on your food, man. I love it.
There it is.
Look at this, guys. Freaking beautiful. All right, guys, here we go. I want you to get a close-up with this bad boy. I don't know how I'm gonna pick it up. Thing's a monster. Oh my God, dude, that looks so good. Bro. All right, dudes, this thing is so good. You bite into it, you get hit with that shrimp right away. They're seasoned perfectly. Then the mac and cheese, dude. What is that cheese you put on top of that? Because that is a freaking bomb, dude.
It's sharp. We put sharp on top and
so good. And then honestly, what really set it off was that sauce.
Right.
You pick up all the different flavors you put in it. Man, this thing is the freaking bomb, dude.
Thanks, man.
And also, it's absolutely enormous. I could split that with my wife, no problem, dude. We probably still have leftovers. Very good sandwich, guys. All right, what are we making?
We're making chicken and waffles
Chicken
today.
and waffles.
So I got my chicken breast.
Southern favorite. All right, starting with the chicken breast.
I cut it.
So we're in the country now. You probably raised these chickens?
No,
No?
but they
Oh,
are
man.
local. They're our local chickens.
Local, all right, that's
I
always
wish
the
I raised
best.
them. So we take the chicken tenders and we put them in our flour mixture,
Oh, that's gonna be so good.
then into egg,
All right, so flour to egg,
then back to flour.
back to flour. All right, so you're getting a nice coating on that.
Yep.
The double dip, I like it.
And freshly fried is always better.
Now, how long will these fry for?
About 5 to 7 minutes.
So the chicken and waffles is like a southern thing, but it was actually invented up in PA, up in the north.
Yeah.
Don't know how the switch happened there, but. All right, so those will fry for what, 5, 10 minutes?
5 to 7, and then I will yell at Alan that I need my waffle in about 2.
So is it all tender because you stabbed it with all the needles? Nice.
Yep.
Okay, so now we're doing the waffle, and I'm assuming you guys make this from scratch every day?
Yep.
What's in it? Give me a little hint. What's in your secret waffle batter?
We use flour, we use butter, we use eggs, and we make it fresh every day.
A lot of butter?
Yep. A lot
Always
of
the
butter in our
best.
pancakes too. People like our pancakes.
So who created this, you or the husband?
The husband.
And how long have you guys been cooking for? I know you guys have some high level, right?
Me? No, I have only been cooking for about 2 years.
How about
2.5.
your husband, though? He worked at high class, like
Yeah.
5-star joints at one time, right? Mm-hmm. That's pretty cool, man.
Yeah, he does good.
So you guys are known in Front Royal as like the brunch spot? Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Nice.
The brunch spot to go to.
All right, so the green light's on. That means it's done. It smells like birthday cake in here. It smells awesome.
Yep.
You can
So we
smell that butter and nice.
take the waffle and I take it back there.
All right, so the chicken's done.
Chicken's done.
Dude,
Pull it
those
out.
look awesome.
Thank you.
Big fat tenders. Those look so
We
good.
take them. We make pretty plates around here.
So you're gonna style it up a little bit? All right, so what is that you're
This
throwing
is
on
our
there?
honey chipotle sauce.
Yum.
We make that in-house as well.
So that really goes well with the waffle, I'm assuming?
Yep.
Oh, nice.
And I
That
stack
is
it.
so pretty.
And then some scallions,
Yum.
house-made pickles.
Definitely a brunch dish.
And then I top it with some more sauce.
Now, is this normally served with syrup and butter or no?
Nope, just like that.
So you recommend this sauce right here?
Yep,
Got
just
it.
like that.
Nice.
All right.
All right, guys, here we go. Chicken and waffles. This looks so good. Dude, that chicken is so tender. Gotta get a little waffle action here. Here we go.
There's some nice fluffy eggs, babe.
Dude,
Is it good?
awesome. All right, guys, this chicken and waffles is the bomb. So what I really liked about it is, first thing you get is you get that chicken is super tender, it's seasoned perfectly. And then like I said, the waffle smelled like a birthday cake. It actually tasted like one, but the secret is the sauce they put on, that homemade sauce. It's sweet, it's spicy, gives it such a good flavor. The bomb. I really, really liked it. Excellent, excellent. All right, Chef Ed, what are we doing today, man?
Hey, this is what we're doing. We're trying to smoke off a few butts, a little brisket, some chicken halves, and we also got some baby back ribs here.
So what are we gonna focus on today? The pork butt.
Yeah, we're gonna focus on the pork butts.
Okay, which is this bad boy right
That's
here?
that bad boy right
All right,
there.
so what's your best here? Is it the pork butt, or is it the brisket, or is
Well,
it the ribs?
I tell you, I love it all, but this brisket, that's #1 on the line. We're gonna pull one of these bad
So
boys
it's
out
all
of here.
done.
It's all ready. So what we generally do, we just take it and pull it. One thing about it, I do my own pork. Make sure we get no fat, no gristles.
God, that looks so good, man.
This is what you get when you come in here.
I like that color too.
Yes,
You
sir.
can tell with smoke correctly.
Yes, sir. This is exactly what you get. And
So what do you like better? Do you like the pork shoulder or the pork butt better? Which
I like
has
the
pork fat?
I like the pork butt better.
Okay.
The pork shoulders seem to be a little bit tougher. Got to put a little bit more love into that.
Got it.
So generally we'll take this here and pull it, make sure it's pulled.
Now there's like no fat in that.
No, sir, can't be. That's what
You
we
don't like
do.
fatty brisket,
No,
or
sir.
fatty barbecue?
No fatty barbecue.
How about on the brisket?
I leave a little fat
Yeah, I
there.
like it. I
Yes,
like that
sir.
better.
A little bit burn in.
They're
or
like, you
whatever.
want the lean or the fat side? I get the
Yes.
fat side every time.
You see, this is just heaven.
You ain't putting all that on mine, are you?
No, sir. If you want it, I got no problem.
I can't
with
handle that much.
But the thing about it, though, you got your lean meat. It's just like your chicken breast. You got your lean meat and you got your dark meat, and you tender. You see what I mean?
Yep. That looks
That's
beautiful,
exactly
man.
what I'm doing.
All right.
And so this is how we're gonna do this. We're gonna top it off like this. generally make a huge pork sandwich.
Nice.
We don't let it set in sauce. We'll pull it up,
Okay.
and I bring it over.
Now this is the homemade barbecue
This is
sauce.
homemade
Now
barbecue
is your
sauce.
barbecue, are you North Carolina? Are
No,
you
we more of the Midwest one.
Okay.
We Southern people. And
Midwest, what, like KC?
Well, like Arkansas,
Arkansas, okay.
South Carolina.
Okay.
That's how we do that. We'll top that off with some beans and mac. And
Now is this canned mac and cheese?
no sir, no sir.
I know,
Everything
just
made
messing
from
with you,
scratch.
man. Dude, it
Everything
looks
here
so
made from
bomb.
scratch.
All right, here we
Yeah.
go. Take a close up of that bad boy. God, it looks so good,
Yes
man.
sir. Thank you.
Well, you cooked at the palm, so I know this is.
Yes sir. Yes sir. I ain't want to
Dude.
do that to you. I ain't want to do that to you, boss man, but that's
so
how it's done
good.
right there.
No, I had to try the mac.
Yes.
Nice.
Yes. That's some love right there.
We got good mac and cheese in front royal. All right, just had a nice little bite of this thing. Excellent sandwich. Right when you bite into it, you get hit with that smoke.
Yes sir.
Honestly, though, I love the sauce on there.
Yes, sir.
You can definitely tell that it's homemade. Perfect amount of sweetness. It wasn't too tart.
There you
but
go.
the pulled pork was really, really tender.
There you
Really
go.
fall apart.
Thank you. Thank you.
The bomb, bro.
Thank you. Thank you.
Delicious
Appreciate it.
sandwich, man.